How to share the NGL link on Facebook with a picture. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share the NGL link on Facebook with a picture. To start, open the NGL app on your mobile device. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store or App Store. After that, tap on Copy Link. Once the link is copied, open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in with the same account as your Facebook account. Tap on the plus icon to add a new story. Now, from your gallery, select the picture that you want to upload. Next, tap on the sticker icon given on top. Here, select the option of link. In the URL section, paste the link that you have copied. After that, tap on Done. Now, tap on this arrow icon. Make sure you have selected the option of Facebook Story. Now, go ahead and post your story. Once it is posted, close Instagram and open Facebook. Tap to play your story and you will see it has been posted with a picture. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.